What's going on, everybody? This is Trades by Dom. We are here in my Apex account, my brand new Apex account that I just got today. It is Wednesday, May 15th. It's 6:03 p.m. Market's just opened back up. So this is going to be actually a two-part video, right? First thing, if you don't know already, Apex is running their 90% off special right now on any account. So that means that you can get a 50K account for $18 and change. And they actually dropped the price of the activation as well. Instead of it being $100 a month recurring, it's actually $80 a month recurring right now. The other part of the promo is that they actually have the 250K account the same price as the 50K account. Not every account has the same price, so just beware of that. But it is a great thing to check out if you are interested. I have a link down below along with a code, so that way you can take advantage of this promo. It is only going on for the rest of the week. To give you a heads up, right now Apex is not allowing anybody to do a TraderVate account because so many people are taking advantage of this. So if you are seeing this the day that I drop this, try again tomorrow, if not in a couple hours. But yeah, unfortunately right now so many people are trying to take advantage of it as far as TraderVate goes. So if you are on Rhythmic, you have nothing to worry about. Just go ahead and do your regular sign up process with the code in the description. But yeah, as you can see, today was a red day. This account is actually blown up. Honestly, I came into today thinking of my Apex account as kind of my sacrifice account. I have a habit of over trading, and I was like, man, let me just use this account to kind of like mess around and let this be the account that, I take the majority of my trades in, just to like test stuff out. Again, today was a super trending day, and it was because of how the news came. Some other news came out that was inflation. The trades are already cleared out of here, but we had this big spike at 8:30, and then by the time the market opened, we did a little drop. And I was expecting us to maybe get to the high and then drop back down and try to at least retrace the bottom, but the market said nope, not today, and just kept slowly but steady climbing up. The mistake I made today was I should have sized down, especially if I was going to allow myself to take as many trades as I wanted to on this account. So I definitely should have been trading micros the entire time, but I did take a bunch of trades with the regular NQ market. So yeah, and then at that I was also kind of betting against the trend. I was more or less paying attention to the 1 minute time frame than I was the actual, ideally, like, you want to see what's going on with higher time frames because you get more of an accurate idea. You want to use the 1 minute time frame for more of an entry standpoint. So unfortunately I did that. Eventually down the line I ended up switching over to micros. As you can see for here, I started the day off doing a bunch. On these really big losses, I was actually pulling my stop loss down because at this point I kind of realized that we were going to start trending up. So I was trying to give myself a little bit more room to, rotate and actually start going in the direction and let it run. Honestly, if I would have had a long, just starting the day off and just let it run the entire day, man, today I would have passed this account with flying colors. But as you can see, as I keep going down, my winning trades were just so insignificant just because of the fact, look, I waited almost 4 minutes for $4. I think this was these were like group traded. But yeah, as you can see, my winnings on the day were nowhere near enough to outweigh my losses. Just not really seeing the actual trend clear today. Just sitting here thinking that, okay, cool, I'm gonna catch it at this point. Okay, cool, I'm gonna catch it at that point. You can see all of my ending trades were all micros because I was like, yo, let me just size down, start taking it easy. And yep, it didn't end up working out too well for me, which is crazy because even though I had a winning percentage of my trades, like I said, my biggest trade was 220. My biggest loss was 440. At no point in time was I ever green today. So, a red day in the books. But again, these accounts are $19. So make sure you guys take advantage of this once Apex does get the site back up and running and you can buy your own account. I will be getting another one. I'm thinking I'm going to go with that 250. Only because of the space that it gives you for the drawdown. With 50K, the 50K is probably the best like profit target drawdown like margin ratio for all of the accounts. But one thing that I do realize is that I have really high highs and I have really low lows, and I'm able to bring stuff around. So for example, like with this account, if I was able to at least give myself more wiggle room in my stop losses, and then also having a higher trailing max drawdown, this account probably would have been up. I probably would have been green. But that's just all fiction. I will definitely be waiting till Apex gets the website back up, and I will take a shot at the 250K. I've done a bunch of Apex's 50s. You see I'm at number 23 here, so I will be taking a shot at the 250K, and for $19 with the code in the description, can't beat it. So I will definitely be trying that out. But yeah, I'm glad to be back with Apex. I'm glad they're running the sale because it is definitely needed. They've usually, or for the last 2 months, they've been having the 80% off deal. So, that's always nice. It's a good starting point. But like I said, this 90% off, you can't beat it. So with that being said, make sure you guys stock up on some evals because like I said, it is only going until the week is up. Take advantage of it while you can, and hopefully Apex, maybe they'll extend it for people doing Trade of 8 because the site went down. But regardless of the fact, don't let it slip past you, because then the evals for the 50K going from 19 will jump back up to 37 or whatever deal that they end up running after this. They'll probably go back to the 80%, but let's make sure that we get some green days in, guys. Oh, also, I forgot to mention, Apex is 1 day to pass right now during this promo of the 90% off. So if you can pass it in the day, pay the activation fee, and you will be funded by the next day. So with that being said, thanks again, guys, for tuning in. This is Trades by Dom, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how you guys did today, okay? Catch you.